Yo, bros, me. Yo, bros, me.
Man, I thought the amateur shit took me everywhere. You doing the same shit over, but in a different site.
On a different stage, too.
The stage is still the same. It's just the cycle. Because they still gotta fight. They still gotta train. You know what I'm saying? It's just the individual that you got. You know. Like right now, I feel so comfortable doing it with Tank. It's like you're doing the same thing over, climbing the ladder. It's like I'm used to it. It's like, how would I say, don't feel nervous. So the coach feel like the fighting will be the same way.
Hey, yeah. Yeah. We working on it. We turning that stuff out. Yo, what's up?
Talking basketball. I'm a hooper. I'm a baller. Shot caller. Oh no, this the hard one. Niggas bumping on the net, don't need to be wild. Alright, 5. Throw my shit up. Go.
Yo, bros, me. Yo, bros,
me. Here, slash police officer, counselor, he a door.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He can do a lot of other things.
No, obviously, yeah. I'm definitely not limited. This is my point of contact. But I just peeped that my man is an R&B singer.
I'm a cook, R&B singer. Coaching? Yeah, I can cook. I say.
I get down. He know I get down. I'm trying to do a restaurant soon.
Okay, I might be in that
I gotta find them. We was trying to get mamas, but my homeboy went on the border before I got to it.
I go guesses never told him that. All this change and the chains on me. Niggas say I changed, man, it changed on me. Man, that ain't the thing, got the thing on me. Man, I see it clear.
Coach Calvin.
You see me coming around your corner looking like I got a check. Flew until you sitting in my niggas on the jet. Running every time I take a shot at it.
24K.
And every day niggas want the money for the slave. I ain't dripping, I got money.
See who
Who team Rob Dillingham?
He's on the cold cards.
What? That's the I thought I said that's the same thing. But which one is nice? This one, right?
Oh,
This one.
both of them. Him and his brother.
This one.
That's a man. That's a sorry. He's probably gonna go number 4.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. This one that be shooting.
That's sorry. Sorry, we shoot better than you. Actually, the plan, so when y'all fight, we're going to swap these out with some of y'all. So, I mean, since you here, which one you want? Why don't you pick yours first? Which one you want? That's fit on me. You want to
So it's gonna be a collab, OTE, OTS collab. You got no hole now?
No, so when they fight, we gonna swap.
Oh, I get it. Okay. Fight.
Game Thompson.
Thompson.
said, Cat asking me, said, bro, I took you out. I said, bro, I'm Street Fighter, bro. But we get almost killed them.
I had to make him let him up, let him go. Let him go, man. Go. No, it don't hurt. It don't hurt.
Yeah. What happened to that, Coach Cal? You gotta get up to the top of that tonight.
Gay! Go ahead, let me try what you got there. Go ahead. You got it.
I ain't done this shit since like.
Nobody try to hear that. Go
Come
ahead.
on, you on camera, you gotta go.
Gotta go.
One time. One time for the one time.
Hey, you good.
Yeah, that's all arms. You good, Alex? Just don't fall now.
Don't let go.
Okay.
Yeah, don't let go. Oh, I know that burn.
That's burn.
This is fast.
big truck. Make you
Go ahead. You talk. Go ahead. Go ahead.
One time, Coach Cal. Let me see.
He told me that 25
Your wrist, all right? It's your wrist.
No, go ahead. You
His wrist messed up. His wrist messed up. His wrist messed up, man.
ain't nothing wrong with his ass.
Prove him wrong, Coach Cal. Go ahead.
I did the same thing.
You miss Alex, man. Alex just got up there in like 5 seconds. I can't even grip it.
Nah, go ahead. Grip it. Try again.
I can't grip it. If I had some gloves on, I'd do it.
Matter of fact, it's gloves in the bag.
Yeah, my gloves is in the bag.
I knew I couldn't grab it.
There we go, baby.
Time is now.
There we go, baby.
Time is now.
Coach Cal is
Shining.
dark.
It's down now.
He's shining in the dark.
It's better than what I'm gonna do.
I can't grip it like I used to. I love my levitation.
Let's get it, coach.
You wicked ass.
I'm done. I'm done. I can't grab it like I used to. Put up a buy. Good money. See, he grabbed me
Like
good.
an 8. Told
He is an 8. You ain't know that.
That's definitely easy. That's actually easy.
I can't grab it like that. You see. Good money.
I bet you when I do like this, I can get up there.
I used to make him do that shit all the time. The first shit was a pivot tank. Let me see. I remember that. Remember the best try? This nigga let go.
No, you got that.
Let go.
That sounds dangerous.
Yo, he hit the ground so hard. Boom! Boom!
I say, Fitz, what you thinking?
What you about to do? 4.
He about to do. He know he's got 1 mile.
No.
This woman got to go home.
Huh? 3 at the least. Hella humid too. Look.
It's right there, damn. That's why he's trying to run.
Hella humid.
Depending on what time we get there. How long it take you to finish 4 miles?